doing HR, then you will definitely understand this feeling. Every month end is stressful. Calculating salary, OT, leaves, claim, EBF, SOCSO PCB, and one small mistake can become a huge problem. But now, things are much easier because I found one out many HR teams are using this smart HR management system called Autocount Payroll, helping them to avoid staying back late every month just to finish payroll. It's a system specially designed to help company manage employee payroll. It's also recognized by LHDN in Malaysia. It is not just a normal payroll system, it also comes with the HR management features.
Nice.
Honestly, this is so suitable for almost every industry. As long as you have an employee to manage, Autocount Payroll can help, especially for the company with a small HR team or business owner who manage stuff themselves. It's really save a lot of time. Basically, everything can be done in one system. Employee attendance, leave application, claims, OT calculation, payroll and salary calculation. Super convenient. For business owner, one of the biggest advantage is that in managing employee is much easier. You can check the staff attendance, payroll reports, approve leave and claims, and have a clearer overview of your company HR situation. For HR team, the biggest benefit is automation. This system can automatically calculate salary and OT, deduct EPF, SOCSO and PCB, and generate payslip. So you don't need to calculate everything manually anymore. Even better, Autocount Payroll also can generate EPF, SOCSO and PCB submission file directly, so HR can upload them straight to the government portal without needing to key in all the data manually. It's really save a lot of time and reduce human errors too. It's also very convenient for employees. Through the apps, they can clock in and clock out, view and download payslip, check the leave balance and calendars, and even submit claims themselves. No need to keep asking HR for everything. If you want more organized and professional way to manage your employee, then it's a time to start using Autocount Payroll. Find Autocount Payroll, find T-Tax Solution.
Cari posisi, cari D-Tax Solution!